Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a doll map using flyers, glue, scissors, and paper. The flyers need to be has to be something like this. You know, the flyers for the condo. So I drew straight lines using a pencil. Then I'm gonna cut it out. Here, cut it out on the lines drawn. So after I cut it out like this, so there's this side, you don't want to see that. I'm gonna take the paper and make sure you put it somewhere on the white side. Then I'm gonna take some glue. So I got some glue here, and I put it on the bad side of the cutout, and I put some glue on it. So I put some glue, and let's see, where's that part? I'm sticking it on the paper, and you sort of wait for it to dry. See, I'm gonna wait for it to dry. Okay, so I let the glue dry, and then I'm gonna cut it out. So here's the doll map. And I'm gonna fold it so it looks like a map. And there's a piece of paper sticking out. See, so that's how you make a doll map. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Oh, that's a big map for Rebecca. Where are you going anyway? Oh.